Pegasus! Let me show you my Cosmo. My cloth is on. I won't give up. I'll try as many times as it takes. Good to be back. The cloth is repaired. It will strengthen my cloth. I have stronger cloth now. Even gods can't stop me. I can take you down again. Anyone can make life shine. Anyone. Athena's knight. I take pride in this title. Mere mortals do stand a chance against the gods. No one gets to lay hands on the goddess. This cloth belonged to a noble hero who inspired me. We need to protect her. Protect the world. Strange. Enemies here have no constellation power. I remember those eyes with the color of a bottomless lake. Hurry up! We need to stop the eclipse! Let's go get them, knights! Out of my way! Show me your power! Witness my power! Take this! Pegasus Meteor Punch! Burn, my Cosmo! The battle is not over. I've learned from our battle. That was a good match. Your power is surprising. Good to be on your side, Shiryu. Let's not end up in Kokaitis this time. You will find greater cause.